Hi everybody, welcome to the advanced course of visualbasic.net. The course is designed for the student who already use the computer or laptop and want to know how the application and the game is made of. You must learn the first level and the second level of the course. We will complete the advanced design of flowchart of the program and describe how to convert the flowchart to the programming code. Next is describe the VB.NET statements and variables and different type of the controls. The using of branches in simple way. We will firstly have an example for creating simple database application, and the second we will create connect for game board game. The third with simple trick how to use animation of your application and the game for animated GIF. The conclusion how to use the programming to convert your ideas to be real and create on your own games. Think what? You can also sell your products and the game to customers in future. Thank you.